Now we are going to design a t-shirt for cat related, and it will connect with the cat lovers. Let's make the cat coats. I have selected a coat for my design, and this is meow equals to happiness. Let's adjust the size, text, and everything. I'm going to use cheap fine font of Adobe. Let's adjust the size, leading, and everything possible. I'm trying different alternatives to make it best. As you can see, there is a leading gap. I'm trying to adjust the leading. Let's do something and make this perfect. Yes, I found a way to do the leading, and I did it 800 pt. And now it's time to create a copy of the design, and then try to make something creative with the design. Let's see what we can do. Firstly, we have did the create outline and unite, and then I'm using pen tool and turning on the stroke and giving the stroke a size of 50 pt, and then I'm going to use the from stroke, and then I'm doing a copy by pressing alt and rotate and adjust the design. And now you can see that happiness equals to meow, meow equals to happiness. It's a loop for cat lovers. Now let's do something. We have turned on the round stroke and object expand appearance, object expand, and then I'm going to export the design soon.